Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by softening the glue. Heat makes the adhesive pliable. Use a hair dryer on medium for 30-60 seconds directly over the sticker, moving constantly so metal won't overheat. While warming, position a plastic scraper at the sticker edge so you're ready to lift. Once the glue loosens, peel gently from one corner. Do not yank. If the edge resists, apply heat again and try small, steady peeling strokes to avoid scratching the stainless steel. After removing the sticker, you'll still have adhesive film. Address it with solvent. Pour or dab rubbing alcohol, olive oil, or a citrus-based remover onto the residue and wait 30-60 seconds so the solvent breaks the bond. Then buff with a microfiber cloth using circular motions. This lifts residue without scratching. For stubborn patches, use a plastic scraper at low angle while the solvent is working. Finally, rinse with warm, soapy water to remove any oily or chemical traces before drying. Finish by drying and restoring the luster. Wipe the Tiffin box with a dry microfiber cloth, then apply a small amount of stainless polish or a drop of olive oil to buff along the metal grain. This conceals minor marks and repels fingerprints. If you see haze or tiny scratches, use a non-abrasive cleaner and gentle strokes along the grain. If stubborn adhesive persists, repeat heat plus solvent. Make sure to test hidden areas first and ventilate the room to avoid fumes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.